Hello and welcome, Myspacesecrets here. Just a very quick update with what is happening on the market. Now, before I start, if you can hear in the background there's a lot of wild cockatoos that we're having problems with here in the street. So apologies if the squawking of silly birds is annoying, but I'll try my best to overpower them. So what we're looking at here is a daily chart of the Dow Jones Index on a. This is actually a live chart. We are sitting at about Dow 7,900 at the moment. But an important thing that has happened the last couple of months, we have had this huge down run, which actually started back up just under 8,300, I think it was, about up there. Now, since that downward run, we have it's almost mirror imaged that whole down run. And from the bottom here, well, let's not call it the bottom, let's call it a bottom. From a bottom down there at 6,500, we've actually rallied right up. Like I said, up to that 7,900 level. And you're probably still hearing a lot of the analysts saying, this is the bottom, the bulls have taken over again, the market can't go any lower. Well, we are still in a bear market, and the reason is, like I keep explaining before, when you have a look at the chart, it goes from the top left down to the bottom right down here. It means you are in a bear market. When we're in a bear market, yes, we will continue to go lower. And also, if we go lower, the continued rallies up, the bear market rallies that we're having, like we are seeing just here, it basically means that they're going to be violent. But the reason why I posted this today, it's a very significant video, and I'll tell you why, is because we are at crucial levels in the next couple of days for the Dow. You have to understand that whenever the market goes into a holiday week, which we have Easter, Good Friday, the weekend, then Easter Monday, the market will always go a little bit topsy-turvy, meaning that the smart money that's sitting out there, hedge funds, professional investors, they don't come back into the market probably until next week, the Tuesday or the Wednesday. So there's a lot of speculation in the market right now. The reason that we are at a critical junction here on the Dow is because of these two critical things. First of all, from the top here, we have a falling resistance line, and at the base of the chart we also have support down the bottom here. And for me, this sort of pattern here replicates itself and should continue. You see the upwards to the top of the channel, then the downwards to the support, upwards again to resistance, and so on and so forth. And so we should see a continuation pattern of that, and eventually probably pop down from this channel here, and eventually you'll probably see that head back down to lowers until we reach the bottom. The reason that this is so important is because the Dow is actually sitting now at the top of this channel. In my example here, every time the market comes up and hits the top of this channel, we are expected to go lower, and usually the market goes lower. Now, I'm not saying this is the case, and it definitely will go lower, but in having a look at our history, the first touch there and the second touch back up in January, and our next touch, which is back down here, we are expected to go lower. So it will be interesting to see what happens in the next couple of days with the Dow. Like I said, we are at that critical point, so it's very important for me to post this chart and let you know, and just to tell you to see what's happening after we have had this significant rally. Okay, Myspacesecrets, just a quick update. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching. Please post your comment below. Enjoy your day, and there will be another video coming out in the next day or so. Thanks very much. Goodbye.